Hello, hello. What about now? Maybe we'll see some activity when a new block comes. But maybe it will not come yet. So in the past, there were blocks. This is the test network Signet, where you can learn all the details about Bitcoin without losing any real sats, which to some people are quite valuable. And the sats here are still test valuable, but you don't pay for them. But the rules are the same like the main Bitcoin network, just that you don't buy these sats, you get them for free. That was a new block. Now let's see what happens. Wow, it's being shrank. Did you see that? But these left over. Um, there's something. Maybe I will do it again, or I don't know how this happens. Eventually, I may find out, but I don't know yet. It's opportunity to learn something new. When you can say that you don't know, you can learn. But if you pretend you know everything, you have quite hard time to learn.